We fabricate solar water heaters in different capacities. Yes, 150 liters. 150 liters covers 3 bedrooms and a kitchen. These are the evacuated solar glass tubes. We have 16 solar glass tubes for 150 liters. This is the insulated water tank for 150 liters. This water tank can as well maintain heat same temperature for 72 hours and more if not diluted with cold water. Here is the inlet and outlet for cold and hot water. Cold water goes through this part and also discharges hot water through this part, but the connection is done separately that it distributes to different pipes. We have the sensor outlet. Here is the part in which we fix the sensor, the vapor outlet, and also the electric heater point is under the tank.